Who is it, Eli? Bless you. Who is it? Who is it? Who's that? Are we safe? Are we safe? Are we? Are we safe? Are we safe? Is it safe? Timmy fell in the well? Oh, no, I guess not. Alright, well, thank you. I think you got the last word in. Yeah, you did. The last word is yours. Alright. Settle in. Last word was yours. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. No. All right, lay down. Go ahead. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down on the floor. Come on. Lay down. Thanks for protecting us. Okay. We're good. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you, Eli.